फ्रेंड्स, ज्या वेळेला आपण आपल्या आरोग्याच्या बद्दल विचार करतो त्यावेळेला आपल्याला सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट ज्याच्याबद्दल आपण विचार करतो ते म्हणजे आपलं जेवण, ज्याला आपण आहार असा शब्द वापरतो, डाएट. आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये आरोग्य चांगलं राहण्यासाठी जसं आहार आवश्यक आहे तसाच व्यायामसुद्धा आवश्यक आहे. आहार म्हणल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला कार्बोहायड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, मिनरल्स, व्हायटमिन्स, ॲमिनो ॲसिड्स आणि अनेक ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंडची नावं डोळ्यासमोर येतात. जीवनसत्व म्हणजे जीवनाच्या आरोग्याशी संबंधित असे आहारामधून मिळणारे जे सत्व आहेत, जीवनसत्व, व्हायटमिन्स किंवा विटॅमिन्स असं आपण त्याला म्हणू शकतो. मागच्या पिरियडमध्ये आपण व्हायटमिन्स म्हणजे काय आणि त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन पाहिलेलं आहे. आजच्या ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फॅट सोल्युबल व्हायटमिन्सबद्दल चर्चा करणार आहोत. Now vitamins, this is second video. Fat soluble vitamins we are going to discuss now. That is vitamin A, the first member of fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A. Vitamin A is very important for the proper functioning of our body. In details we will discuss in this video. First of all, we will see what is meant by vitamin again. Vitamin or vitamin is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrient which an organism needs in small quantities for the proper functioning of its metabolism. Vitamin is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrient which an organism needs in small quantities for the proper functioning of its metabolism, the deficiency of which may cause specific and several diseases. Now, in vitamins, there are two groups. First, fat soluble vitamin, and second one, water soluble vitamins. What are fat soluble vitamins that we'll see here? Vitamins that can dissolve in fats and oils are called fat soluble vitamins. जे विटॅमिन फॅट आणि ऑइलमध्ये सोल्युबल आहेत त्या व्हायटॅमिनला फॅट सोल्युबल व्हायटमिन्स असं म्हणायचं. फॅट सोल्युबल व्हायटमिन्स आर ॲब्झॉर्ब इन द बॉडी along with fats, and as we know fats remain in our body for longer time. Therefore, fat soluble vitamins also can be stored in the body for longer period and that we can use whenever we require. What are different fat soluble vitamins? Vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are fat soluble vitamins. Now we'll start with introduction of vitamin A. What is vitamin A? Vitamin A is a group of unsaturated nutritional organic compounds that includes retinol, retinal and several provitamins. Most notably beta carotene, carotenoids, that is beta carotene. What are different functions of vitamin A? Vitamin A has multiple functions in our body. It is important for growth and development, for the maintenance of the immune system, and for good vision. Vitamin A is needed by the retina of the eye in the form of retinal. आपल्या डोळ्याशी संबंधित आजाराशी या व्हिटॅमिन एचा संबंध आहे असं आपल्याला सुरुवातीला सांगता येईल. We will see different sources of vitamin A. What are different sources of vitamin A? Vitamin A is found in many foods, including the following list. There are so many plant and animal food which contain vitamin A, but few of them are listed here. Carrots म्हणजे गाजर, स्वीट पोटॅटोज, दॅट इज मराठीमधून आपण त्याला रताळे असं म्हणतो, मँगोज म्हणजे आंबा, पपया म्हणजे पपई, स्पिनॅक म्हणजे पालक, एग्स, मिल्क, कॉड लिव्हर ऑइल, pumpkin, all these are vitamin A rich foods. व्हिटॅमिन ए असलेले हे सगळे पदार्थ आहेत. परत एकदा आपण लिस्ट पाहूयात. कॅरोट्स, स्वीट पोटॅटोज, मँगोज, पपया, स्पिनॅक, एग्स, मिल्क, कॉड लिव्हर ऑइल, ब्रोकोली लीफ अँड pumpkin. These are different plant origin and animal origin foods. We'll see what is the structure of vitamin A. Vitamin A, as we know, includes retinol, retinal, and others. Therefore, the structure of vitamin A is given here. The first one is retinol ester. Vitamin A ester, retinol, that is vitamin A1, retinal, that is vitamin A aldehyde, and the last one is retinase. Vitamin A is shown here. Dear friends, we will discuss now what are different diseases caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency is the leading cause of preventable childhood blindness, according to UNICEF. युनिसेफच्या म्हणण्यानुसार लहान मुलांमध्ये जे ब्लाइंडनेस आहे, आंधळेपणा आहे, जो की आपण प्रिव्हेंट करू शकतो, त्याचा मेन कारण व्हिटॅमिन एची डिफिशियन्सी असू शकते. व्हिटॅमिन एच्या डिफिशियन्सीमुळे आंधळेपणा येऊ शकतो. इट्स डिफिशियन्सी इन ॲनिमल्स मे कॉज नाईट ब्लाइंडनेस, बट prolonged deficiency of this may lead to hardening of the conjunctive, softening of cornea, which is termed as xerophthalmia, and may lead to complete blindness in some cases. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला चाइल्डहुड ब्लाइंडनेस असेल किंवा नाईट ब्लाइंडनेस असेल किंवा झेरोप्थॅल्मिया असेल. व्हॉट इज झेरोप्थॅल्मिया? It is nothing but hardening of the conjunctive and softening of cornea, which is termed as xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia म्हणजे softening of cornea, which is termed as xerophthalmia. म्हणजे थोडक्यामध्ये व्हिटॅमिन एचा आपल्या डोळ्याशी संबंध आहे. व्हिटॅमिन एच्या डिफिशियन्सीमुळं आपल्याला आंधळेपणा येऊ शकतो किंवा नाईट ब्लाइंडनेस म्हणजे रातांधळेपणासुद्धा येऊ शकतो किंवा झेरोप्थॅल्मिया नावाचा आजारसुद्धा आपल्याला होऊ शकतो. म्हणजे व्हिटॅमिन ए आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ॲज पर आवर आईज आर कन्सर्न. आपल्या डोळ्याशी संबंधित आजारासाठी व्हायटमिन ए अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. व्हायटमिन एच्या डिफिशियन्सीमुळे चाइल्ड ब्लाइंडनेस होऊ शकते, नाईट ब्लाइंडनेस होऊ शकते आणि झिरोप्थॅल्मिया नावाचा आजारसुद्धा आपल्याला होऊ शकतो. त्याचबरोबर इट्स डिफिशियन्सी अल्सो प्रोड्युसेस ड्रायनेस ऑफ स्किन अँड हेअर. दिस इज वन मोर डिसीज कॉज्ड बाय द डिफिशियन्सी ऑफ व्हायटमिन ए. व्हायटमिन एच्या डिफिशियन्सीमुळे स्किन ड्राय होऊ शकते किंवा हेअर आपले ड्राय होऊ शकतात. नाउ इन व्हायटमिन ए there are two vitamins, very important vitamins, vitamin A1 and vitamin A2, that we will see one by one. Vitamin A1. Vitamin A1 is a yellow fat soluble solid terpene alcohol obtained from carotene and occurring in green and yellow vegetables. Egg yolk, essential to growth, the protection of the epithelial tissue and prevention of night blindness. Vitamin A1 is also called as retinol. It is commonly known as retinol. Its molecular formula is C20H30O. Occurrence of vitamin A1. Vitamin A1 occurs free and as esters in fats, in fish livers and in blood. It is also present in carrots, green vegetables, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, cabbage, in which it is present in the form of carotenes, provitamins, which in vivo are converted into vitamin A1. What is the structure of vitamin A1? Very simple structure is given here. Vitamin A having retinol, called as retinol. Vitamin A1, that is retinol, has such type of structure, having alcohol functional group. Now, what are different deficiency diseases of vitamin A, A1? As already discussed, vitamin A1 causes diseases like night blindness and complete blindness in some cases. Xerophthalmia, that is softening of cornea. Third one, that is dryness of skin and hair. These are main diseases caused by the deficiency of vitamin A1. Vitamins A1 influences growth in animals and apparently increase resistance to disease. Mainly there are three diseases we had discussed here: night blindness and in some cases complete blindness. Second one, xerophthalmia, and third one is dryness of skin and hair. We will see vitamin A2. Vitamin A2 is a yellow oil, occurs in the tissues of freshwater fish, has a function similar to that of vitamin A. It is also called as dehydroretinol. Vitamin A2 is also called as dehydroretinol or retinol 2. Vitamin A1 is called as retinol, and vitamin A2 is called as retinol 2. Its formula is C20H28O. What is difference between A1 and A2? In molecular formula, there are two hydrogens less as per vitamin A2 is concerned. That means vitamin A2 has one double bond more than vitamin A2. या ठिकाणी तुम्ही पाहू शकता, हा जो डबल बॉन्ड आहे हा डबल बॉन्ड A1 मध्ये नाही. हा डबल बॉन्ड या ठिकाणी असल्यामुळे दोन हायड्रोजन आपले कमी झालेत, म्हणून याचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला A1च्या मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युल्यापेक्षा दोन हायड्रोजन या ठिकाणी कमी आहे. Dear friends, we had discussed in this lecture what are vitamins again, what is fat soluble vitamin, what are different features of vitamin A, that is sources, their structures, and deficiency diseases caused by vitamin A, vitamin A1 and A2. So in examination, question may be asked, give sources, structure and deficiency diseases of vitamin A or A1 and A2. So friends, thank you all. In the next video, we will discuss second fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin D. Thank you.